algebra class? This is going to be a very quick video on graphing systems of inequalities, which is pretty straightforward. If you got the last section, you won't find this difficult. This was a pre-made slide that I just want to walk you through, so look at it carefully. I've sent you the PDF. Okay, a system of inequalities, two or more inequalities that make a system. Just like when we did the systems of intersecting lines, you've got to find where they intersect, and we solve those by various methods. When we have a system, we have this system right here, two equations, and we need to know the solution of the system, which is the part where they intersect. Well, we're going to graph each one. Now, you won't be doing them on separate graphs. You're going to do them on the same graph. This is the graph of y is greater than negative 2x plus 1. Make sure you pull out your m and b for me. You know I want to see that. And here's the graph of the other inequality. Y is less than or equal to x plus 3. Pull out your m and b. That's the graph. Now, the graph of the system would be these two overlaid. So you're going to do them on the same graph. Okay, and if you do them on the same graph, you'll be using hash marks or slight light colors. Where they intersect is the purple area. And so this would be your final answer. Okay? So when you're doing this on your paper, you're going to graph, let's say the green side, you might graph like this with a light green pen. And then you might graph the other side like this. And then you realize that this is where you need it, so you're going to shade that in real good. Okay, well, that didn't show up. You're going to shade that in double so it's noticeable that that is the solution to the system. Okay? And that's all I wanted to show you. You can read the beginning of the chapter, beginning of the section. Okay, when you're doing your work, you don't need to graph each one on a separate graph like that slide did. I just want to point that out to you. And there are some sample problems on the next slide that should be in your PDF if you want to practice those before you do your homework. Okay? So that shouldn't be too bad. Have fun with that.